can do. Singing, acting, and modeling too. Got 3 kids with talent moves. Spend my money like I'm banking, I let him too. She's a princess, he's a prince. Then there's the Duchess, so and the pets. I'm the queen and the king. The mom, mommy,
Whoa, did a baby. What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Queen Tay, and thank you for joining another episode of Deja Vu. So, we are bringing in the new year, right, y'all? Gotta enjoy. Oh, sit down. Are you ready to bring in the new year, Kimani? Yes. Kimani's not feeling well today. She's a little bit under the weather, but we're working on it, getting her better. However, we can't keep her away from her new dollhouse that she just got for Christmas. She begged me for this thing. So, and Star is excited about the new year. Yes. This episode, I'm actually going to go back and look at, since I'm a dog lover, we actually had a situation where we found a dog. Well,
I did.
She found the dog. And it was like a little pit. It was a baby pit. It had to be probably less than a year old. But she found the pit outside one day, brought him home, put him on my porch. And I knew, just by looking at it, I knew that it belonged to someone. Well, it was a girl, so I knew that she belonged to someone. And we actually ended up taking her in. I had a cage that Star had when she was a baby. So we let her stay in the cage. And it was actually, we had her for what? How long we had her for? About
2 months.
About 2 months? It was like 2 months? Yeah, we had her for about 2 months. And it was an experience, you know, it was a little rough on Star having to share her space. But Star actually, she actually got along with her pretty well. I was surprised. Star doesn't really do dogs better. She thinks she's human.
She was just jealous that we were spending more time with Hazel.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We named her Hazel. But we had her. I tried to find her owner by taking her to the vet. We took her to the vet so that she could, you know, be scanned. They found out that she had a chip in her, and but the owner didn't have any information, so it was kind of hard to try to find her, to find her owner. So that was a thing. Keeping 2 dogs, I wasn't prepared at that time to keep 2 dogs because, you know, it's expensive buying dog food for 2 dogs. Trying to feed them.
We had a bowl for her.
Yeah, we got her bowl, we got her collar.
Where did we put the collar? I know we didn't throw it in the trash.
She might have took it with her.
No, because it was still there when she left, right?
Yeah, I guess, I don't know. But we had her for about 2 months, and in that 2 months, we pretty much treated her like she was our own. The kids got close to her, especially Kimani. Kimani got close with her. She would take multiple pictures with her and of her. So
yeah, I have a whole lot of pictures. Like I have like maybe 24 pictures.
You still have them? Let's look at her pictures. I'd say probably about 2 months after, you know, having her. around that end mark, basically, I had a light bulb went off in my head, and I thought about it. I was like, well, maybe I should go into like the SPCA database or whatever. And I did. They took me through the city's policy on lost animals. So I had to kind of do some type of registry. I had to provide, information and everything, give the dog's description, which I did. We basically went through like this whole process, gave them the chip number because I was able to obtain that from the vet. And they, after maybe about, I say maybe about a week, then I called back to do a check, and they referred me to a different database for chipped animals. I went through that database and got in touch with one of their customer service reps who actually was able to find some information on Hazel's owner and put me in touch with them. And well, it was actually the son of the mom which was the owner. And that was kind of a sentimental period because he was extremely happy. Not as happy as the mom was,
Totally.
but she actually spent the whole entire 2 months trying to find her dog. She didn't give up. She gave out flyers. She basically walked the neighborhoods, and I found out that the dog actually stayed 20 whole minutes away from where we actually live. So I knew it had to have been stolen. And with it being a pit, I knew that the reason why it would probably let go was because it must have just been neutered. So we saw the scar under her stomach, and I figured they probably let it go because they couldn't breed it. So we ended up keeping her for a while. The whole time we had her, we basically treated her like our own, and after about 2 months, I ended up finding the owner. After talking with the son, we met up, and the owner came and got her dog, which her real name was Stella. We had a little bit of a time trying to pick out what we was going to name her. We ended up naming her Stella. I ended up naming her Hazel. Kimani wanted to name her
Rowdy.
and Rico wanted to name her Artemis. So
Artemis.
whatever, same thing.
No
But
T at the end.
we ended up naming her Hazel, and once we found the owner and we realized her name was Stella, it actually fit. So she was really, really excited to get her dog back, and I was glad that I was able to do that for her because they bought the dog for their mom as an emotional support animal because she had, I think she had cancer or she got real sick. So with me being a dog lover and having an emotional support animal myself, I just felt like that was important to make sure that she got her dog back. So that's what we did. And needless to say, she was over thrilled to see her dog.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, Stella.
Oh, you're being so happy. It's okay. You're so
Stella,
excited.
look, Stella, Stella, looky, look. Here's your medicine. She needs her medicine. You need your medicine.
Let me let her pee real quick. She really wants to go pee.
I'll take her.
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh, he's never gonna. Oh. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Stella, you good girl.
Let it out.
Good girl. That's how.
She's white. She was so happy.
How did y'all put up with two?
Oh, well, we're animal lovers, so.
Here's her tag. Stella! Did y'all see the pictures?
Yeah, I saw them. I didn't show them. They not too long ago got up. She's showing you her toy.
Stella. Stella.
Oh, you got a
Smell?
shoe, Stella?
Stella, look, come here.
She's so happy.
You go bye-bye. Look. Good girl. You good girl. Yes. Well, yes, that is. Yeah. You go. Where have you been, girlfriend? Huh? It's a wonder she ain't got hit.
I know. Yes, she's perfect condition.
Oh my God. Oh, this was the poster when I've been out looking for her.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all gonna miss her? Has she been good? Did she get aggravating?
No,
No?
they loved her. She...
How, I mean, oh my God. I'm not even gonna question it. I just thank God. Do you remember your ball? Your ball? Yeah, your ball. Your ball? You did remember your ball. You're a very good girl. I'm gonna have to train you not to be so friendly.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna miss you, Stella. We were calling her Hazel. We were like, she
She gonna be so confused
I
because
know.
she's a rescue dog and I don't know what her name was then.
What?
And she just walked up and there she was. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
she was following my littlest one around for so long, and then she came and they sat out on the porch, and she sat right there next to her. So I was like, well, let's go ahead and bring her in
Oh my
and see
God.
what happens. And
I
if
see
we
you
can
lost
find
your
her owner.
collar, huh? You let somebody take your collar,
Look.
didn't they? I'm just, you know what? This is really my son's fault, honestly. I've been everywhere looking for her. I caused so much ruckus
Yeah.
in some of the areas that I live at, where they literally told me a quick comment. I've been in areas where like, do not come out here at night, and I just kept coming back, and they'd be like, I mean, some people I just like becoming friends with. They're like, you back again? I said, I'm gonna keep coming until I find my dog.
So I'm so happy I was able to keep her and find her for you. I'm so happy to reunite you because
You
you get
got
to
a
go
little
home.
bigger. You got a little bigger. Go see your friends and play. She loves y'all.
We love her too.
You're a little traitor. You love everybody.
We'll have to keep in touch so we can check up on her.
Yes, most definitely. Do they let y'all have dogs here?
Yeah.
They do?
Mhm.
I bet you have to pay.
We do have a pet fee, but I explained the situation to them, and I explained that, she was found. But my dog is actually registered as an emotional support dog, so I don't have to pay for her. You don't have to
Really?
pay for them if they're
You don't?
registered. Mm-hmm. No.
Really?
Yeah, so she understood that I'm a pet lover, and she gave me some leeway, and I told her I was just looking for the owner, so.
Yeah. I was so worried, she went missing the day after surgery.
Yeah, I can tell because it was definitely still kind of fresh.
Is she
Fresh and-
okay?
Yeah, it healed and.
Come here.
It's gone.
Is she good? Let me see your back. Let me see your back. Let me see your back. Come here. Let me see your back. Very good. How's that baby? How's that baby? Huh? How's that baby? Go, Papa. Go, Papa. Oh, that's probably my son. You probably can't find it.
Let me see. Tell me if I need to go outside. Is he here?
Yeah. I was him, so I'm sorry. I don't know about him. Don't left him in the dust.
You said
What's
to keep
calling
up.
you?
Look, Stella, you got all your toys back.
I've been so mad with my son. I've been holding a grudge kind of towards him.
Oh.
So now I don't have to hold a grudge. You're probably going, hey, are you having a hard time finding it?
Afterwards, of course, she gave me. I got a reward. Yeah. So what? This is my money. Technically, I gave y'all a little bit for helping. I gave you like $5 each.
$10.
$10. I gave them $10 each. I think that's fair for helping. But yeah, she gave me a reward, and it was an experience. So, I'm a dog lover. What can I say? I just can't leave them out. Now, I mean, if the dog that looked run down, had rabies or missing a leg or two, we probably just have to leave it outside. But I could tell, I knew just by looking at the dog that, it definitely belonged to somebody. So,
We have great memories with her.
yes, we do. We have awesome memories,
We have pictures.
pictures, videos, and everything. So, we enjoy our animals around here. Don't we? We plan on getting Star.
Yes, and she needs to hurry up
Bread.
and get babies.
Well, I gotta
I
go.
want my own dog,
We
Star.
Excuse me. We have to go through a process first.
We have to wait.
9 months.
No,
That's
we
too long.
no.
She's not even
Nine
pregnant yet.
9 weeks. 9 weeks.
We
That
have to go through the breeding process first. So once we do that, we'll have our own little puppies around here, and
And we're gonna keep them this time.
one.
I
Not
doubt
either.
that. We'll.
Can we keep
probably-
at least 2?
No.
You got a job?
One for me, one for the family.
Mm-mm. I think we'll just probably end up keeping one.
You said for my birthday I could get my own dog.
I don't think I remember saying that. Anyways.
So you say you think about it. You say you might.
Thought about it. Nope. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. We are done. Just wanted to show you guys how loving we are with animals, and how we rescue our dogs. Alright guys,